They say if you want to know where the apparel industry is headed, you have to be in Long Beach, California in January. We're back at the 2026 Impressions Expo, and honestly, the energy this year is on another level. We make the trip every year to keep our pulse on the latest tech, but this time, the show felt a little more personal. Let's dive into the highlights. Now, one of the coolest feelings is walking onto a massive show floor and seeing your own kids out in the wild. We spotted a couple of booths powered by H-Paint equipment. One shop was rocking the brand new TrueSpec, and the other was putting the Signature series through its paces. And there's nothing like seeing our machines helping other companies crush it on a stage this big. It's a proud parent moment for sure. Now, you can look at catalogs all day, but nothing beats the floor feel. There's a specific magic to walking these aisles. You get to actually feel the weight of the blanks. You can test the stretch of a new transfer, and most importantly, talk shop with people who get just excited about thread count as we do. It is a sensory overload, but it's in the best way possible. We saw some familiar faces and made new friends, like the mastermind behind Color Fast Apparel. He walked us through their latest lineup, and let me tell you, if you're looking for premium blanks that are designed to be printed and worn, these are it. We also got to catch up with our pals at the Uninet booth, and seeing their latest specialty setups in person gave us some serious inspiration. I mean, the innovation happening right now is wild. We had to go see the action at the Epson booth. They had a major technology debut, the huge 64-inch G9070 direct-to-film printer. The G9070, it is the big brother to the G6070, so you get that same beautiful color depth and crisp quality, but with a mind-blowing boost in output. I'm talking up to 350 square feet per hour. Ridiculous. Anyways, I'm sure we'll be seeing more of this printer in the months to come. Now, it was a quick trip, but one day at Impressions is enough to fuel us for the whole year. I mean, between seeing our machines in action and getting hands-on with the next generation of printers, the future of this industry looks bright and very, very colorful. I highly encourage anyone in the printing industry to check out trade shows like this when they come around your area. Trust me, it's worth the trip. Now, if you were at this show, drop a comment below and let us know what your favorite booth was. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more shop updates and industry deep dives. We'll see you at the next one.